If you are a woman between 40 and 70 and you feel like your body has slowly stopped cooperating with you, I want you to hear this carefully. It's not just your metabolism, it's not just hormones, it's not just aging, it's something quieter. You start walking consistently late, then you stop. You think about trying to run, but you're afraid of hurting your knees. You want to feel strong again, but you don't feel like the woman you were at 30. Your energy feels different. The weight doesn't move the way it used to. Recovery takes longer. And somewhere along the way, a quiet internal voice begins narrating, "I'm too old for this. My body just doesn't respond anymore. I always quit. I'm not athletic." You don't say it out loud, but you hear it. And over time, that voice starts to shape what you believe about yourself. That's the hidden voice sabotaging your fitness after 40. There's a powerful book called What to Say When You Talk to Yourself by Shad Helmstetter. The core idea is simple. The words you repeatedly say to yourself become instructions to your brain, not suggestions, instructions. Most of us were programmed years ago, and much of that programming is negative. If you repeatedly tell yourself, "I'm inconsistent," your brain builds behavior to match that. If you say, "I always get injured," your brain becomes cautious, hesitant, protective. Now listen carefully. After 40, your body does change. Hormones shift, muscle mass needs attention, recovery matters more. But what often slows progress more than biology is self-programming. If your internal script is, "I'm past my prime," you will train like someone who believes that. If your script becomes, "I'm rebuilding strength," you'll move differently. You'll show up differently. Your self-talk isn't describing your life, it's creating it. And that includes how you walk, how you run, how consistent you are, and how strong you become. Inside my Run Fit method, we don't just give workouts, we reshape language. When a woman joins my program, she often says, "I haven't exercised consistently in years. I'm afraid to run. I don't want to damage my joints. I start strong and then fall off." Instead of arguing with those thoughts, we replace them intentionally. We shift to structured self-talk like, "I am becoming consistent. I train safely and intelligently. My body adapts when I give it time. I finish what I start." Then we pair those statements with safe action. We begin with walking. Not aggressive running, not boot camps, not extreme dieting. We use walk to run intervals, short controlled sessions, 2 to 3 strength sessions per week. We focus on small wins because when you complete a 25-minute walk, when you finish a safe run-walk session, when you check in and stay accountable, your brain gathers new evidence. I follow through. I move without pain. I'm stronger than I thought. This is how we avoid burnout. This is how we avoid injury. Consistency over intensity. Intensity feels exciting. Consistency changes identity. And when identity shifts, everything shifts. Here's what I want you to do today. One simple step. Take a 20-minute walk. Before you begin, choose one sentence. "I am rebuilding my strength," or "I am becoming consistent." Repeat it quietly while you walk. Not dramatically, not aggressively, calmly. You are not trying to hype yourself up. You are installing a new instruction. Your brain does not care whether the message is positive or negative. It simply accepts repetition. So today, give it something better to repeat. You are not fragile. You are not finished. You are in a rebuilding season, and rebuilding done correctly is powerful. If you want structure, accountability, and a safe walk-to-run plan designed specifically for women 40 to 70, I invite you to join the 14-day JUMPSTART. It's not extreme, it's not overwhelming. It's built for consistency. 2 weeks to reset your rhythm. 2 weeks to build small wins. 2 weeks to begin rewriting that hidden voice. You don't need intensity, you need consistency, and you are absolutely capable of that. I'll see you inside the 14-day Jumpstart.